Hi guys, it's Kirsten and welcome to Skincare 101. Skincare is so important and it really is the foundation for everything else. And I tell my clients this all the time. If your skin doesn't look good, nothing you put on top of it will look good. So it is really important to establish a good, basic, and simple skincare routine that you follow in the morning and at night, and that will set you up for some really great results that you will see in the next 6 to 8 weeks. In the mornings, you are going to cleanse, you are going to hydrate, and you are going to protect. Depending on your skin type, the kind of products you use will be different, but the steps will be the same. You're going to cleanse, you are going to hydrate, and you are going to protect. So I'm not really going to get into specifics because, as I mentioned earlier, it really depends on your skin type, but you definitely want to wash your face in the morning. If you have drier skin, you can use a micellar water or just splash your face with water. Then you're going to hydrate with an appropriate moisturizer for your skin type, and then you're going to put on sunscreen, which is the protect step. And sunscreen is really the most important thing you can do to protect your skin. That is my #1 anti-aging secret. And women ask me all the time, what's the secret? What's the magic potion? That is it. It is sunscreen. So please go out there, go get yourself a day moisturizer that has SPF of 50 in it and put it on every single day. And no, the sunscreen in your foundation or daily tinted moisturizer is not enough. You need to put on sunscreen. At night, you're going to do 3 steps again. You're going to cleanse, you are going to treat, and you are going to hydrate. So it is so important to wash your face at night. I really cannot stress that enough because you're washing all of the environmental pollutants off that you were exposed to during the day. You're getting off all the dirt and grime, and you're really giving your skin a chance for a fresh start. Your second step is going to be to treat your skin, and that really depends on the concerns you're trying to address. So if you want to address fine lines and wrinkles, you're going to get a serum or a moisturizer for that. If you're trying to treat age spots, then you're going to buy a serum or a treatment product that is appropriate for that. And the best time to apply it is really at night, because while you're sleeping, your skin is resting and it's sort of regenerating itself. So that is really the most effective time for you to apply treatment products, because that is when they're going to do their job. And then on top of your treatment, you're going to hydrate your skin. So you're just going to apply a moisturizer over that, and don't forget the eye cream and the lip balm. And that is really it. There's no magic to it. You just have to stick to a simple 3-step routine in the morning and in the evening, and you will start seeing results, I promise. So the 2 most neglected areas of your face are really your eyes and your lips, and like I said earlier, they really are what tend to show age first. So it's super important to take care of those areas. So I say you want to get a good eye cream and apply it starting in your mid-20s, because again, prevention is better than cure. It's much easier to get into a good habit early on and prevent wrinkles than it is to try to treat them down the line. The one thing I think is a nice thing to do in addition to your 3-step skincare routine is a mask. And there are so many products out there now for so many different concerns. So it really just, again, it depends on your skin type and what your issues are. But I think once a week to do like a deep cleansing mask if you have clogged pores or oily skin, or to do a hydrating mask if you have dehydrated dry skin, or to do an illuminating mask if you have age spots or you want a more even skin tone. I think that's a nice way to just sort of add in one extra thing during the week. I like to do mine on a Sunday, and I look at it as like it's a special treat. It's pampering, it's relaxing, it gives you a 20-minute timeout to just lay back and relax and let the mask do its job. I also just wanted to quickly address a couple of myths and misconceptions that are out there about skincare and skin in general. First, I would like to talk about exfoliation, and there's so much bad information and there's so many products out there that it can get a little bit confusing. So I'm going to try to clarify this for you. Every skin type benefits from exfoliation. If you have dry skin, you should exfoliate. If you have oily skin, you should exfoliate. A lot of people who have dry skin think that if you exfoliate, it will make your skin even drier. Not true. What exfoliation will do for you is when you have dry skin, cells tend to accumulate on the outer layer, so it makes it very hard for any other treatment products to penetrate that layer. So you really want to make sure you slough that off. And I think for dry skin, once a week is probably efficient, and you should be very, very gentle. So my favorite way to exfoliate for dry sensitive skin is to buy a cleansing balm and to massage that into dry skin, leaving it there for a minute, and then taking a warm washcloth and laying it over the skin and leaving it there for a minute and then gently wiping it off. And that is a really great way for dry skin to exfoliate. Another thing I want to address about exfoliation is that sometimes people go the other way, and instead of not exfoliating at all, they over exfoliate. So they will exfoliate every day. So they think they're doing a really good thing by using their Clarisonic in the shower in the morning, or they're scrubbing their face, or they use a face cleanser that has these sort of grainy beads in it. And really, that is the wrong way to go about it. In general, the important thing to remember is to baby your skin. The more you love your skin, the more it will love you back. One more thing I wanted to mention about exfoliation is that it's much better done at nighttime. I know a lot of you love to do it in the morning in the shower, and there's really nothing wrong with that per se, but it's just a lot more effective if done in the evening. Because if you slough off your dead skin and then apply a treatment product on top of it, it is just so much more effective because it can penetrate faster and penetrate deeper on skin that has just been exfoliated. I have so many clients that say to me, I have oily skin so I don't need a moisturizer. I have oily skin so I don't moisturize. That couldn't be farther from the truth. Oily skin still needs to be hydrated, so if you don't give it the moisture it needs, it's going to overcompensate by producing even more oil. So what you want to do if you have oily skin is get a very lightweight oil-free moisturizer and start hydrating your skin and applying it twice a day in the morning and at night. And you will see that your skin will start to rebalance itself and it will actually get less oily. I have so many clients that have a drawer full of treatment products and they say, well, nothing really worked. When I start to dig a little deeper, I find out that they've used it for maybe 2 weeks and maybe not every day, so of course it's not going to work. You haven't given it a chance. So like I said, you need to use a new treatment product consistently for about 6 to 8 weeks to see a difference. And then you continue using it to see a bigger difference. And a lot of products, you see the full effect after a year or a year and a half. Every once in a while, and spring actually is a really good time for this, I like to hit the reset button. And what that means is I think we all get caught up in this, I need to try this product and I want to, get rid of my fine lines and wrinkles and I want to get rid of my age spots, and we just start like piling on the products and piling on the stuff, and you just don't even know what works anymore and what doesn't. And worst case scenario, your skin is just irritated and sensitive from using all of these product combinations that may not work together but actually may even work against you. So the important thing to do every once in a while is what I like to call hit the reset button. So you just cut everything out, you just go back to the very basic 3 steps in the morning and the very basic 3 steps at night. In the morning it is cleanse, hydrate, protect, and at night it is cleanse. I actually would even leave out the treat. I would just do cleanse and hydrate at night. And I would do that for about 6 to 8 weeks and really let your skin have a chance at rebalancing itself before you start adding in a treatment product. And then once you decide you want to add in a treatment product, you should start with doing it twice a week at night or 3 times a week, and then building up. But one at a time. You should really only introduce one product every 6 to 8 weeks. So in other words, don't go out and buy a new cleanser and a new moisturizer and a new anti-wrinkle cream and a new vitamin C serum and just start using them all at once. It is absolutely the wrong way to go about it. One thing I want to talk about with you guys is washing your face at night. I always say don't skip it, you should do it. It is so important to wash your face, but let's face it, there are all nights where we're just beyond. We are so tired and exhausted that we can't even think about it and we just want to crawl into bed. So I have a little remedy for that. I have a little tray where I keep a box of wipes and a moisturizer, and if all else fails, I throw myself into bed and I yank out one of these wipes. I'm currently using these micellar makeup removing towelettes and I like them. And you just wipe your face and wipe your makeup off as good as you can, and then throw on some moisturizer and call it a day. Now that is not what you should do every night. It is definitely an emergency situation kind of a thing. But it's better than nothing. So at least do that, and then the next day maybe exfoliate or put on a treatment mask, and make sure you change your pillowcase. And that's it. If you stick to your simple 3-step routine in the morning and at night, and you do your mask once a week, I promise you will see a difference. See you next time.